How to drive a man wild. Every girl wants to make their man feel special. No matter how long you've been together, it's always a good idea to keep things passionate and steamy. There is nothing wrong with wanting to drive your man a little wild sometimes and show him how much you care in a variety of ways. High levels of intimacy and sex can make your relationship stronger and exciting. Not only does it mean you get to spend more time together, sex and being affectionate both release happy hormones, oxytocin and dopamine, which no one can have enough of. Welcome to Self-Dominion channel, where we talk about book reviews, business ideas, philosophy, business strategies and many more. Before we continue, please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to make sure you're updated whenever I post a video. For today's topic, we will be talking about how to drive a man wild. So, listen up ladies. This one's for you. Today, I will reveal some of the most powerful secrets that will answer the question of what drives a man completely wild. If you're ready, here are the 10 ways to drive a man wild. Number 1. Make eye contact. So you are in a crowded bar and from across the room he catches your eyes. You can see he is someone you want to get to know from a mile away. Stare at him, not in a creepy or rapist way, but make sure to make eye contact and give him a sweet and innocent smile. Men, being visual beings, relate to strong eye contact. That is guaranteed to make him notice you and will probably end up with him coming to speak to you. Look him in the eye when you speak to him. It shows confidence, which is sexy to men. Number 2. Make sure to smell good. In order to drive a guy wild, you need to stimulate his sense of smell. Sense of smell is said to be extremely influential to everyone, especially men. Scent is powerful, and the way you smell says a lot about you. You want to have him thinking about you for long after the two of you have departed, so pick a perfume that is less popular to make sure it's not a scent that he'll encounter on a daily basis. Men tend to be drawn to sweet scents such as vanilla. Smelling irresistibly is an easy way of driving your man in the best possible way. Number 3. Be confident of yourself. There is really nothing that turns a man or woman on more than confidence. It really is no secret that men are suckers for women with confidence, and that women often let their insecurities get the best of them. Men are attached to confidence above anything. Confidence women inspire, scare, motivate and leave men in awe, which naturally is what drives men wild. Confidence is the key ingredient in driving your man or man completely crazy in a good way. Number 4. Get dirty together. Many women believe that men only want to participate in physical activities with their boys, but that is not true. It has been proven that men who are attracted to women are not afraid of getting a little dirty. Take a run with your man, go for a hike, or even join the gym. Couples that are active together tend to be happier with one another. Number 5. Be smart and talk smart. Making yourself seem stupid will only make a man irritated. You don't have to turn into a walking encyclopedia, but knowing some basic knowledge about local and world news can really make your guy look at you in different light. Find a topic that interests you and start to study it and brush up on the facts. When you show to someone that you have a brain in that pretty head of yours, they will go crazy for you. Make your intelligence your biggest asset. Number 6. Humor. Even if someone's jokes are not funny, make sure to laugh. This will show that you're interested, and it's been proven that guys fall for girls who smile and laugh more around them. If you can hang out with him and say something hilarious that leaves him gasping, then that is a very good thing. He will now be officially connected with you. Finding the humor in everyday life can bring another spice to your relationship. Instead of being uncomfortable and boring, you and your partner will feel more ease with each other. Number 7. Clothing. Revealing clothing is pretty much always helpful in turning on a dude. It's never a bad idea to show a little leg or cleavage when you're trying to get a guy's attention or to make him wild. It's not a problem to wear something that shows your body in a flattering way. Dressed in something you love that speaks to who you are, and you're more likely to come across as a confident, desirable woman worthy of long-term commitment. Number 8. Tell him that you think about him. When someone reveals that you were in their dream, it means that you were literally on their mind the night before, which is flattering. Without getting too direct, you can send him a message that says, "I was thinking about you a lot," or even, "I had a dream about you." These little text messages show him that you desire as much as he desires you. If you want to admit that you're into a guy without saying something as direct as "let's get naked together," then describe a dream you've had in which played a major role. His imagination will go wild because of this topic. Number 9. Be naughty. Don't hold back when you are with your guy. Men like to see this other side of you when you are not scared to break his good girl image of you. They will never cause offense by actually asking you to do it. Just show him that you are really into him and want him as much as he wants you. 10. Make him miss you. Even if you want to stay on his side, it can actually hold his attention more if you leave long enough and often enough for him to miss your presence. Make him a little jealous, but make sure to do it with caution and know your limit. Hang out with a few of your friends and talk a lot about the fun you plan on having. Also, try to be unavailable for a short period of time instead of jumping at every invitation he offers. This will make him miss you and more eager to get you. When you fall in love with someone, your heart may race and you get sweaty under your arms every time you see his face. If you want to get this same reaction in a guy and drive him wild with thoughts of falling in love with you, you need to get his blood pumping. Role-playing and lovemaking should be pleasurable and fun for you both. And remember, communication is the key, so always communicate and be very open with your partner. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy this video and find this helpful, please make sure to subscribe and hit that like button and notification bell to make sure you're updated whenever I post a new video. This is Self Dominion Channel, and I'll see you again next time. Peace out.